Okay. Brooklyn's opening up present from you, Ryan. Ready? Rip it open. Atta girl. Rip. Oh. Wow.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Good job.
Alright, hurry up because we're running out of time here.
Pull the box open. There you go. Go ahead. Pull it open. There you go. What's in there? What is that?
What is it?
What is it? George! Yay! What else is in there? Who is that? Those are mittens. Who's on those mittens? Is that George? Oh, do you love George? Give George a big hug.
No hugs for George?
You want to put your mittens on?
Okay. Say thank you, Ryan.
These are from Ryan. Yeah.
Ryan, say thank you, Ryan. Say thank you. Yeah. Say thank you, Ryan. Yes, and say thank you, Angie.
Other hand. Ooh, you stop.
Uh oh, we gotta put the gloves on.
Oh, look at
nice
that.
George mittens.
Cool.
Wow, those are so cool. Look at that, Brooklyn. Very cool. Ta-da. Let me see.
Show Dada.
Wow. Say thank you, Ryan and Angie.
It's George.
Yes.
Wanna hold George?
Nope. All right. Say thank you, Ryan. Blow Ryan a kiss. All right.